Hello mga kapiskat! Welcome to my vlog. For today's vlog, ayun, unboxing time sa ayuda ni Ma'am Bay TV Canada. Ayan, Annabelle Podan. Ayan. O, diba? It's unboxing time. Excited na ba kayo? Let's see what is inside. Ito na yung inside. Inside yun, inside. Ayan. Lupitin natin ha. Oh. Ayan. Very exciting. Hala, nakita ko na guys. Hala. Woo. Hala. Hala guys. Hala. Ma'am Bay. Ma'am Bay, ito pala yung bigay mo, Ma'am Bay. Hala guys, ito pala yun. Ang ganda pala nito, Ma'am Bay. Hala, Ma'am Bay. Hello, Ma'am Bay. Hala. Ayan, dalawa. Ayan, oh. Hala. Ma'am Bay, ito pala yung... Hala, tama pala sila, Ma'am Bay, oh. Ang ganda, Ma'am Bay. Wow. Ito yung isa. Ayan, alam niyo na kung ano ito. Bracelet. Bracelet na Lucky Charm ata ito, Ma'am Bay. Hala, ito yung isa, oh. Wow, oh. Wow. Ang ganda, guys. Galing kay Ma'am Bay TV Canada. Ito, oh. Nice. Wow. Ma'am Bay, ingatan natin to kasi souvenir to eh. Ayan, ito. Maganda rin ito, oh. Ito maganda, oh. Parang mga bato-bato. Ayan, oh. Ayan, thank you very much, Ma'am Bay. Ito yung lagayan. Ayan, dalawang bracelet. Ayan, tingnan natin kung ano yung... Ayan. Churakel di Brincat. Ayan, Ma'am Bay. Thank you, Ma'am Bay. Salamat, Ma'am Bay. Ayan, may card pa na nilagay ni Ma'am Bay. Sending a garden of birthday blessing. So, this is the birthday gift from Ma'am Bay. Yan, 1 and 2. O, diba? O. Ayan. Happy birthday, Love Much Bay. Friends, we will be now and forever. Ang cute naman, Ma'am Bay. I love it, Ma'am Bay. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Ma'am Bay.